Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are on exercise number 13.3, question number 4. So question number 4 says that a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Okay, so here they are saying that आपकी जो conical tent है, cone shape में जो tent है, वो 10 meter high है. Okay, so 10 meter high means आपको exact height दी हुई है. That means it is a perpendicular from a vertex to the base given to you. Okay, that is your exact height, true height. That is vertex जो है वो perpendicular है center of the base. So this is your h height given to you. So let us write the given data first. So height, that is h is given as 10 meter. And they have given us the radius. हर बार diameter दिया होता है, यहाँ directly आपको radius दिया है as 24 meter. In the first part, it says that we have to find slant height of the tent. अगर आपका हम यहाँ पे labeling कर दें तो आपका ये है A, B, C. Okay, where it is right angled at B because AB is perpendicular to the center of the base. So we have height, we have CB radius with us, and we have to find AC, that is your slant height. Okay, so let's start students. So here आपको L क्या होता है slant height वो याद रखना है, ठीक है? So we know that L square is equals to h square plus r square, right? ये है आपका slant height. अगर आप इसे ऑब्जर्व करो तो this is your right angle triangle, that is your hypotenuse then, isn't it? So this is your L square is equals to h square plus r square. Let's substitute the value to find L. H square, that is 10 square plus r square will be 24 square. So L square is equals to 100 and 24 square is 576. So this will give us our L square as 676, and taking square root on both sides, we'll get 676. किसका square root square है बेटा? L is equals to what is the square root of 676? It will be 26, right? So we get our slant height as 26 meters. Clear? Now the second part says that we have to find the cost of canvas required to make the tent. अगर बच्चों आप टेंट बनाते हो तो आप याद रखो आप उसको क्लोज टैंक नहीं करते, आपका बॉटम ओपन होता है, isn't it? So it means that आपको अगर cost of canvas required, so अगर आपको पहले canvas required find करना है, so canvas required will be equal to CSA of the tent. Okay, CSA of the tent. We'll not consider the circular base. It is not a closed figure. Okay, and your tent is open from bottom, right? So the canvas required here will be equal to the surface area of the tent, right? So here the tent does not cover the base, remember that. So we are finding curved surface area of a tent, that is pi RL. So curved surface area, right? हाँ लिख लो, canvas required will be equals to CSA of a tent, right? CSA of a tent, and that CSA is given by pi RL. This is your formula. Clear? Now let's substitute the values here. So we have to find CSA to 22 by 7 आपकी pi की value है. Radius is given in the question as 24 and your slant height is given by 26 meters, right? Solving this out, 22 multiplied by 24, 24 multiplied to 26. जो आपका इन तीनों का product होगा वो है 13728, that is 13,728. Let that divide by 7. Okay, अभी से ऐसे ही रखते हैं अपना कैलकुलेशन आगे इजी करने के लिए. डोंट डू द सिंप्लीफिकेशन हियर. अगर करना चाहो तो कर भी सकते हैं, नो इश्यूज. द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट. If the cost of 1 meter square of canvas is rupees 70, okay, as it is given, cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Okay, so therefore cost of this much tent canvas. Okay, so cost of 3728 divided by 7 meter square, यहाँ meter square लिख दो बच्चों, CSA will be rupees 70 multiplied to this, right? 1728 upon 7 multiplied to 7. This much canvas is required and 1 meter of a square of canvas is cost rupees 70. Therefore, we are going to multiply this much of canvas with 70 rupees. In short, CSA को आप multiply करोगे 70 से, right? So 7 ones are 7 tens are, and your final answer is rupees 13728 multiplied by 10. Simple एक zero लगाना है. That is 1,37,280 rupees will be needed to make this conical tents. I hope students you all are clear with this. If any doubt, do let me know. Thank you so much.